This one. Please take your seat.
No, you are
the last person, I think. How can I have it? She must not. So you are
Priti Bala Rana, sir.
Priti Bala Rana. So you are from ISMS? No.
No, sir. Now I am living in Bhubaneswar. Basically, I am from Narsinghpur block, Cuttack district.
So plot number 1066 भी नया पहले मैंने कुछ है नया पहले एयरपोर्ट
रास्ता एयरपोर्ट है सर इसकन रो फ्रंट है सर
अच्छा तो बापा को पता चला को
ना सर मु एका रहउछि एबे सर एका रहउछि एबे सर एठी भुवनेश्वर रे
एका म
सर रेंट नै के एटा हम घर नुहे सर सर घर कटक डिस्ट्रिक्ट सर नरसिंहपुर ब्लॉक
सो यू आर स्टेइंग देयर अलोन
सर
सर भाड़ा नहीं कितना
सर
you are working somewhere
sir so now I am assistant section officer in housing and urban development department sir section officer
assistant section officer
sir
so you joined in the ministerial job
sir
initially
sir
how many years you have completed
sir
your job?
2 years completed sir 2 years completed sir
2 years completed and you are the assistant section officer
sir
and what are the designation कौन है बता नहीं सब
So joining sir first assistant section officer, then sir after one promotion section officer, then sir desk officer, then under secretary, after that deputy secretary.
This is the hierarchy now.
Sir.
You joined an assistant section
officer, sir.
Not LD assistant or
no sir.
Those designations are
no sir. This is the entry level assistant section officer.
Section officer, then
section officer,
then
desk officer,
then
under secretary.
UD, LD, UD, section officer आगे चला रहा है. SO, LD, UD, section officer. तीनटा कैटेगरी लेवल थे. बर्तमान सही लेवल तीनटा अच्छी. All the level is the same.
Sir.
So then you have appeared this examination.
Sir.
This is first time?
No sir, this is second attempt sir.
Second.
First interview.
This first interview.
Sir.
But second time you appeared in the OAS examination.
Sir.
Huh?
Sir.
I see. And how do you feel in the secretariat environment as a working there? Secretariat?
Sir, as a workplace, I must say that was the best place to work. Sir, secretariat is sir very good office and lots of opportunity to learn how the official letters drafts are written and how the official communications are made, how policies formulated and implemented, and top to down hierarchy. So basically, it is
suppose you are any proposal is there, you are initiating that proposal.
Sir.
So if it goes wrong, are you not responsible for it?
Sir, responsible sir, but it goes through many levels and scrutinized at every stage. So.
Is it, are you moving the file physically or is it digital? All files?
So some files are physical files which are older than 2015. After 2015, we give files in OSWAS, Odisha Secretary Automation System, sir, OSWAS file. But sir, letter and drafts are signed in hard copy and kept in hard copy. But files.
But soft copies are issued immediately.
Yes, sir. Immediately, sir. Soft copies are issued. Then we send the letter by post.
And backup hard copy is kept.
Kept with. Yes, sir.
So that is the process.
That is the process now.
Well, there is this service rule is there that for suppose I ask I send a letter, how many days you can reply or all this. Do you follow that or is this still the delay process?
So sometimes delay happens basing on the workload, sir. But we try to dispose the letter as fast as possible. But sir, no fixed time limit. It takes 1 week, 2 weeks time, sir.
In a particular file,
sir,
you don't think that it should be done.
Sir.
But your superior says that you write like this.
Sir.
How do you manage that?
So first of all, I will refer the 2 books Sir, my section is concerned about that. I will follow the rules. If, sir, it is within the purview of the rule and my senior says me to do it faster, then if it is within the rule, I will prioritize that work and do it faster, sir. But if it is outside the rule, then I will, sir, I will write my opinion in the file. Then it may be
But
corrected.
your boss will say, your desk officer or your undersecretary will say, then you take back and write like this, in different way. But as I told you, what you know, you are a stipulated now for us, you write the other way. So
Yes,
you
sir.
modify it?
No, sir. Yes, sir. I will write what I think will be okay as per the book, as per the
You
rule.
will not obey your superior.
So I will politely deny,
You
sir.
politely deny.
Sir.
Yes, yes, okay, yes, nice, very good. Our purpose here is not to interact with you on anything or not to test your knowledge or test your. It is only to orient you for a definition. I just wanted to have a discussion with
Sir.
you, which I wanted to know your attitude and
Sir.
other things. That's super fine. Your idea is good. Yes, to give you feedback, your thinking is very good,
Sir.
your knowledge is good, you are speaking very well, ideas are very good, you have a firm view, that's very good, personality is good. But your tone is low. Try to improve that one.
Sir, I will. Sir.
Your voice is very low.
Sir. So I will
You
speak
should
loudly.
improve that one.
Speech study over.
Yeah, because it's not, well, think of, we are here in this congenial environment, but there that is still 10 times more fearful than this. So your tone will be still lower. So try to improve that one.
Sir.
That's one. Second thing, when you enter into here, have a smiling face,
Sir.
and then say thank you.
Sir.
When the seat is offered, and then that's okay. I think be relaxed and then your sitting posture is okay. Body language is also okay, no problem. You have a smiling face.
Sir.
No, there is no issue on this. There is no eye contact is also good. There is no issue on this. So by and large, your total demeanor is okay.
Sir.
Demeanor is okay. You definitely. And then your answer is good with regard to the leg pulling that I wanted to make, but you have sustained that. This is your okay. Okay, suppose you are not selected.
Sir.
To whom should you blame?
Sir. Sir.
Suppose you are not selected, to whom should you blame?
Sir, I will blame only myself.
Why? You are so good and you are doing so well, and if they are not selecting, why you should be responsible? So should system not be responsible for it?
No, sir. I have my time. I have 24 hours. Other candidates have also 24 hours, and resource is also available in online. So if after that I won't qualify for the exam, then somewhere I am lacking persistence, or I could not dedicate the proper time that I should dedicate to my studies.
Right, okay, that's fine. Suppose you are successful, who will give credit to?
So if I am successful, obviously, sir, my family, my colleagues, my superior, who also supported me and did not pressurize me, and I got ample of time.
Okay,
Sir.
you are the OS officer.
Sir.
You are posted somewhere,
Sir.
but all of a sudden you are not married yet.
No, sir.
You are not. You are married and you have a kid. Suppose you will have a kid,
Sir.
and you are posted in a remote place.
Sir.
But your child cannot sustain that environment. Okay.
Sir.
So he or she needs better care.
Sir.
Always at home. Nobody is there to take care of. Your husband is also far away. How do how do you manage, how do you balance this?
So if I got transferred to some other place, then my kid will also be accompanied with me to that place. And
Who
if
will accompany?
so my kid, my child
your
will
kid will
accompany me to that place. And so I would be posted in a block having number of people. If they can live in that environment, then my kid will also live in that environment. And if any lacuna is there in that society, if infrastructure problem or special educational or health care, these basic two problems, if PUS is there, then I will try to improve that conditions, sir, in healthcare and education first.
Given a choice or given an option
Sir.
between choosing the job and then your family commitments. Suppose your mother-in-law, your husband, and everybody would say that no, you give up the job because your child is suffering. You give up the job and join here. Should you advise them?
No, sir. I will try to convince them because also my in-laws are my obligation. I will try to convince them, but I will not leave my job, sir, because I am getting paid for that and it is my duty. And I think, sir, I will put more hard work in my job or in my preparation than I give my
And you
family.
have already worked as a single woman for some time.
Sir,
Till 2 years,
2
or 3
years,
you are there.
sir.
Singly remaining also as a single woman somewhere.
Sir.
Any problem did you find? In workplace or other places?
No, sir. Till now, sir, the Secretariat office environment is very cordial, supportive. But in news we heard sexual harassment at workplace.
Did you find anything?
No, sir. Personally, I have not experienced that kind of thing, fortunately. But
So
sir,
you are not in the Me Too group?
no, sir.
Hmm?
No,
you are
sir.
not in that Me Too category. What,
No, sir.
what is your opinion about Me Too?
So sir, in my personal opinion, Me Too movement is a very genuine movement, and if sir, it takes too much courage to say about sexual harassment or workplace or public place in public platform. So if those women are saying, then obviously they are genuine. We need judicial procedure to go through that, but so genuinely we should pay attention to their problem, and every office should form a committee and they should have a platform so that women can lodge their complaints.
We don't, that question. And then do you prefer love marriage or arranged marriage?
Sir, if everything goes well, then I would go for a love come arranged marriage, but love marriage is essential, sir, to know someone personally for 2-3
Now
years.
let us now review what are the questions. So it's a good, your answers are very nice.
Sir.
Particularly gender issues, your answers are very good. Last question you can also avoid. Now I cannot say sir, you can avoid that.
Sir.
To be safer side.
Sir.
To say that sir, I have not thought of this. No, you have answered it very well. Answer. Whatever you felt, very good. Your answers on gender specific issues are very good. So your answers on human right issues, think of that. What are the questions that may come?
Sir.
Okay? Gender issues, you are very good in gender. So try to bring out, hopefully they will ask these questions and you will exceedingly do well.
Thank you, sir.
Because you are a single woman,
Sir.
working woman,
Sir.
that the question they will ask, definitely. So try to highlight that you are working
Sir.
and single, remaining single,
Remaining single.
and not without your parent.
Sir.
এই তিনটা জিনিস তুমি হাইলাইট করবে যদি সেটা তোমাকে সেই প্রশ্ন করতে তুমি ভালো উত্তর দেবো ইউ গেট টু পাই ওকে দি মূল কোশ্চেন লিভ করে দেন উইল লিভ দোজ টাইপ অফ কোশ্চেন্স ওকে and the environment you know the questions, pandemic you know what are the questions, foreign affairs you know I think,
Sir, Taliban issue now going.
Taliban, Afghanistan out,
Sir, US and France diplomatic issues. So US and France diplomatic issues now going
No,
on due to.
this is slightly out of the brush up.
Sir.
Think of Afghanistan issue, Kashmir issue,
Kashmir issue.
Quad issue,
Sir.
AUKUS issue,
AUKUS issue,
Prime
sir.
Minister's visit to America,
Sir.
new world, new global trend.
Sir. New global superpower. Yes, sir.
These are the areas, try to note down. These are the things necessary the foreign affairs. And then economics, what is your subject?
So my optionals are history and sociology.
History and sociology. The sociology you have answered very well. History, Odisha's history, what is your original place?
Sir, Cuttack district.
Cuttack district. Okay. Odisha's history टाको भले इतने जान पड़ेगा. Anyway, be strong in your subjects.
Sir.
That's important. And then economics. What are the questions that you expect?
So the inflation, fuel prices, and the
Fuel prices
new
yes.
sir asset management, bad bank, sir bad bank for NPA, rising NPA. And sir, sir.
Because you are not a student of economics.
No sir.
Employment,
Employment. Sir.
growth, pandemic effect.
Effect, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Demonetization effect.
Sir.
And how to again revise.
Post-pandemic
Don't try to remember the figures.
No sir.
Don't try to remember those figures. General type. Talk in general types. One subject I told you, education, more school scheme
Sir.
program,
Sir.
more school program to be
Sir.
तमें जो चाकरी करते
ସେଇଠି contribute କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ sir.
that area. Sports, you remember that. Why Odisha is poor?
Sir.
Find out the question demographically, geographically,
Historically.
climatically, and cultural and historical.
Sir.
area चिंता करो.
Sir.
Okay. Then that's by and large the issues we have already discussed, like LBGT,
LBGT communities.
marriage between LBGT.
Sir.
You can answer or you can avoid.
Sir.
My point is, if Salah, today, when you are interviewed,
Sir, he's 28.
28, so don't take seriously the interview.
Sir.
Because don't read too much. Don't try to double up the information. Relax. तुम्हें खाइबो, ठीक है सोइबो, सिनेमा देखियो, जो आदमी की बात कर दिबो, आराम से देखो. Don't take seriously. Second thing, when there is a question, try to understand that question very well.
Sir.
Or say, kindly repeat, sir, sorry.
Sir.
And if you do not know the answer, say
Sorry,
sorry,
sir.
I do not know, politely.
Sir.
I don't get frustrated, because you are not supposed to know many things.
No sir.
Don't bluff.
No sir.
Don't, if you do not know the question, say sorry. Don't try to be don't try to oversmart. Okay. These are the small things that you try to remember, and then I think you will do it very well.
Thank you sir.
And what is your hobby?
Sir, paper crafting. Sir, paper crafting, waste crafting, sir.
Crafting.
Sir.
And what are you doing? Is that-
So by cutting colorful paper and joining them using gums and making a leaf or a bird or butterfly.
So, how did you get this inspiration from that? From did you get the inspiration?
So during my BTech time, when the cultural organization events are organized, my roommate was the coordinator, and she was painting the the earthen pots colorfully. I used to help her, and basically I developed interest during recently. That
color
was,
painting.
Sir.
You have so try to know more about it, think more about it on Patachitra,
Sir.
potteries,
Sir.
pottery painting on pottery, pots, pot painting,
Sir.
glass painting.
Last point.
Who are the persons? Who are the artists there? Try to know something about that. Don't spend much time. or try to know about it, because that's your hobby. So if you answer, if somebody asks a question, one or two answers, you impress them more.
Sir.
Okay?
Sir.
So this is very good. You have a very nice, excellent chance. I think you definitely go through two USPs you have got. USP means unique selling proposition. Your unique selling proposition is that you are single, you are working, staying alone, and then you have got clear idea on gender issues.
Sir.
Okay?
Sir.
So you try to understand this. You do that in quantity, ताकि राउंड अप करके चिंता करिए क्वेश्चन आके टीचर फॉरेन अफेयर्स के बारे में प्रसाद करिए बोला आई थिंक यू विल definitely you will while going if you want you can write a small write-up give it here and घरକୁ गला ପରେ भी so how you prepare your interview you can make a write-up and what are the questions that you might be having you write to me I have left email there. Okay, you can, but don't write only the question. I will not respond to that.
So can I collect it from the reception?
Yes, you write it there. No, I am preparing for these things. These are my preparation and the subject that I am now thinking. And then these are my questions. One or two questions you can write to me so that I will revert you through email. I have left the email. Okay, best of luck.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you'll get it. No problem.
I didn't find out the officer, junior assistant, senior assistant.
सीनियर असिस्टेंट और जूनियर असिस्टेंट को मर्ज करके असिस्टेंट सेक्शन ऑफिसर से
वो तो बेस तो तमाम चिट्ठी आस्था में बेस तो में फाइल प्रिपेयर तमाम
dress code, you know, better to have a sari or something. Ethnic sari. मतलब Odissi sari, the way you have put on this. Don't do that. Patta sari पिंधोगे नहीं. Simple, casual, office dress. Patta sari पिंधेगी दिखो नहीं. Sorry. Simple handloom, decent, elegant sari. Simple. Workplace.
Color भी simple है जो gorgeous.
Workplace. Working class. Workplace को जाओ ना. पाट्टा साड़ी पिंधेगी मोटे जो. माने क्या माना बात से पिंधने.
और जब सब दो जन होते हैं तो फास्ट इंटरव्यू से तो इन्फॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करते हैं.
No, don't collect.
Ceremony में
एकदम सबूत मिला पता दे. अगर ड्रेस कोड का जरा मोर पत्थर का बच्चे ये सिंपल ड्रेस में देखो. आओ माने भलो के मैचिंग बॉर्डर. You know that. I don't have to say all this. When I you know ethnic. पोशाकले हो कि नहले ओडिसी होला कि ताला भलो सिंपल एलिजेंट कॉटन साड़ी कॉटन वो बस सिल्क हो कि जाए साड़ी इवन यू कैन हैव अ सिल्क साड़ी बट इट शुड बी लाइट एकदम लाइट एंड सिल्क साड़ी में किसी असुविधा नहीं इट शुड बी वेरी लाइट एंड स्टिक टू योर बॉडी माने ये पार्ट बुढ़ा माने जिमती बॉडी का माने whatever you put on, it should go with your body.
Sir.
That's it. Okay. जोड़ा पड़ने पिला पड़ने से इंटरेक्ट कर रहा है
पिला वाले बहुत भला satisfied हो जाते हैं तो आज भी बहुत भला पिला हुए थे हाँ
आमे तो किती प्रश्न
नॉर्मल इथून ते पण तर निश्चित पाहिजे नो तर प्रश्न पद्धती
बहुत शेवटी पाहिजे ये मन समजत तो बोल जातो ये भी खालको तो पाहिजे निश्चित जिदा
हां हां तो वास आपण किती लेवल स्टार्ट करते हैं
हां आमे
वेरी फ्रैंकली, एक किसी ने भी कैजुअली कॉन्टेक्ट
बोले
ये जो दे चलते